Welcome to class. We hope that you are having a great day.
Have you ever noticed that when we write or speak, our sentences has always the intention to achieve something?
Yes, when we express our sentences, may it be spoken or written, we use different functions to get our desired outcome. Did you know that there are several types of sentences according to purpose?
Today, we will going to discuss to you or share to you the 4 types of sentences according to purpose.
The first part of this video, I will be discussing the declarative and the imperative types of sentences.
Whereas, the second part of this video, I will be discussing to you the exclamatory sentence and the interrogative sentences.
So the first type of sentences is declarative sentence. Sentences that relay or present an information or making a statement of facts or opinion. For example, Joshua is a student. So from this example, it is presenting information or relaying information that the status of Joshua is a student. Second is, he lives in a city. So it is a statement of facts because I am stating that he lives in a city. So declarative sentences usually ends with a period. Period indicates the declarative sentences in a written form. So the second type of sentences is imperative sentence. Sentences that gives a command, make a request, or expresses a wish, or a form of friendly advice. For example, go to your room. So it is an example of a command. Second is, please lend me your book. So it is an example of making a request to someone to allow you to borrow the book. Lastly is, have a good time at the picnic. So it is an example of expressing a wish to someone. Imperative sentences usually ends with a periods or exclamatory marks.
Alright, so for the third type of sentence according to purpose, this is called exclamatory sentence. So what is this exclamatory sentence? This is a sentence that expresses sudden or strong feeling or emotion such as surprise, wonder, pity, sympathy, happiness, or gratitude. This sentence always ends with an exclamation point. For example of this is if you are walking down the road and you see a cute dog, you will immediately say, "Wow, that dog is so cute." So that means you are expressing your emotion or feeling through this sentence. The last type of sentence according to purpose, we have interrogative sentence. So what is this interrogative sentence? From the word itself, interrogate. So this means the purpose of the sentence is to ask or inquire a question, and it will always end with a question mark. This interrogative sentence comes in 3 forms. The first form is compound interrogative sentence. The second form is interrogative reaction. And the last one is tag question. For compound interrogative sentence, this is the type of interrogative sentence that is used when one asks a person for a choice or decision between 2 given options. For example is, do you want to travel in Palawan or explore in Baguio? Now for interrogative reaction, which is the second form of interrogative sentence, this is quite similar to exclamatory sentence. It also expresses wonder, surprise, or disbelief. But the difference is, this is in the form of a question. For example, you sang the national anthem in front of the whole crowd of the foreigner. So there is a disbelief, but this is in a question form. And for the third form of interrogative sentence, which is tag question, this is quite similar to declarative sentence. The only difference is that although this begins with a statement, This type of sentence ends with a question. This is for emphasis or clarification. For example of this is, she does like to play basketball, doesn't she? So there is a clarification on the last part, making this as a part of an interrogative sentence. Now let's summarize our topic for today. So this is all about the type of sentences according to its purpose. And we have declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and imperative sentence. So if your sentence states, tells, or asserts, or declares something, it is called declarative sentence. And then if your sentence is in a question form or it tries to inquire something or interrogate, this is called interrogative sentence. And then if your sentence is in a form of a command or a request or expresses a wish to someone else, then this sentence is called imperative sentence. And lastly, if your sentence expresses a sudden and strong feeling, or for example of this is you are surprised or you wonder something, then this sentence is called exclamatory sentence. And here are other sample sentences according to its classification. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy learning. Bye-bye.